Congratulations, first of all,
Thanks.
on receiving the Mahatma Award. How are you feeling?
I think we are feeling great, and it's actually a recognition of the work which we are doing from last 9-10 months, especially for the COVID. So it's just that we are feeling great about it, and especially on this day of Mahatma Gandhi's 30th January, receiving a Mahatma Award, it means that somewhere we are connected with the values and the principle of Mahatma Gandhi. So thanks to the organizations and thanks to the organizers for the Mahatma Award.
Right. Please tell us more about your organization and how it is bringing about a social impact. Tell us more about what you
So,
are into.
So we are a small grassroots organization. We primarily work at a panchayat and the village level, and it's organization established by late renowned poet Shri Kafi Azmi, and currently Ms. Sabana Azmi is the president of this organization. So what we do actually, we do some innovative models. One of our innovative model is Rozgar Dhaba. So you must have read, you must have seen that during this COVID time, there were a lot of migrants, they were returning to their villages. So when they are returning to the villages, what they will do? Nobody had any idea. So through Rozgar Dhaba model, what we are doing is that we are connecting local people or the migrants through the information on the different livelihood opportunities. Like what LinkedIn do for the high profile jobs, same thing we are doing for the low profile or for the grassroots jobs or the grassroots work. So what we do, we collect information about different livelihood opportunities, including government schemes, and then we collect the information about the migrants and the community member, and then we match it. So in this way, what is happening, there are a lot of people who are not aware about the government schemes, who do not know how to file an application for the government schemes. We are helping them, assisting them to do that, and then they are availing it. So in a way, what we are doing, we are supporting government for strengthening the execution of different government programs, and then people are receiving work, people are receiving livelihood, and they remain in their villages, and the unsafe migration get restricted. So this is how we are doing the work at a grassroots level, and not in a much bigger way, but in a smaller way at a village level, we are trying to bring change or the impact.
Right, right. Thank you for sharing with us about what you do, and congratulations once again on receiving the award. Thank you for talking to us.
Sure.